Welcome to the Canva Basic Tools tutorial. The first thing I'm going to be taking you through is how to create a design on Canva. One of the top things you'll see on the Canva website is the Create a Design button. Once you click that button, you can type into the search bar the type of design that you'd like to create and then scroll through the different options until you find the exact dimensions and style that you'd like. Once you click that, Canva will open a brand new blank design for you with that exact dimensions. Then you can scroll through the list of templates that Canva offers until you find something that fits your aesthetic or what you're trying to achieve. And if you like the fonts and colors, you can apply that design to your pages. Once you do that, you can then edit the text, add in your own elements, change the colors, or you can forego the template and just create your own design on Canva. The other way to create a design using Canva is to use your own custom size. The way that you do this is by opening and clicking the custom design menu, which will open this little window where you can put in the exact dimensions of what blank design you'd like to create. And once you've put in your exact dimensions, you just simply create a new design and Canva will open a blank design with those dimensions where you can either use a pre-designed template or make a new design from scratch. The second thing I'm going to show you today is how to use elements and graphics. Canva has an extensive library of elements and graphics that you can add to your design to fit a specific aesthetic. All you need to do is type into the search bar what you're looking for, then you can navigate the different options for shapes, graphics, photos, frames, videos, mockups, all depending on what you'd like your design to achieve. Once you've searched through the options, whether free or premium, you can select the design style that you'd like and find the exact element and begin to edit. You can edit elements by changing their size and replicating them using the duplicate tool. You can also group elements together by dragging and holding shift or just simply dragging and pressing group together. Once you've grouped elements together, you can replicate them, move them around to create patterns, and you have freedom in how you can create different ideas with Canva. You can also use the default colors template to change their colors, or you can search and type in custom colors depending on what kind of design and aesthetic that you're looking for when it comes to Canva. You have a lot of freedom when it comes to element editing and the element types. There are two element types on Canva. You have the static elements, which are still elements that don't have any motion. They come in different styles, whether illustrated, images, and then you have the animated elements on Canva, which come as pre-made, animated, or motion graphics, which when you edit them and add them into your design, they will turn your design into a video, or you can download the design as a GIF. These elements, some are customizable, some are not. The third tool that I'm going to show you today is the color wheel. Canva's color wheel tool is very diverse. You can either pre-select different colors from the default menu, or you can use the search bar to type in and search the exact color that you'd like to use for your design and add that to your design. You can also use the gradient tool to automatically add a gradient to your design. Once you've added the gradient, you can then select different styles and colors depending on what you'd like, and you can further adjust the gradient's individual colors until you find the exact tones and schemes you'd like according to your aesthetic. Another way to use colors on Canva is to use the sliding tool or to use the dot to drag around and adjust the colors until you'd find the exact shades and tones that you'd like. It's completely customizable. You can also use color codes simply by searching up the color code for the color that you'd like to use on your design. Copy that and then paste that into the search bar. Once you paste it, you will immediately have that design added in. Another way to use color codes is to open the color wheel tool and in that small menu, paste your color code, and then you can use the dot or the slider tool to drag around and get the exact tones that you'd like. Another way that you can use colors on Canva is you find a photo with colors that you'd like to replicate in your design, and then once you find that, you can use the eyedropper tool to navigate the image and add in the exact color that you'd like from the image into your design directly. The fourth tool I'll be showing you today is the images tool. Canva has quite an extensive library of photos and images that you can use in your design. Make sure that if you're using a design commercially that you check the Canva terms and conditions before using it to distribute your products. But otherwise, you can simply type in whatever kind of images that you'd like to add into your design. And if you're using Canva Premium, you can use different tools such as the background remover to edit and adjust your images, as well as the extensive library of various image editing tools such as filters, effects, both premium and free depending depending on what you're looking for. The fifth tool I'm taking you today is the font tool. Canva has a library of its own fonts that you can add into your own design. You can either scroll through and look through and find different free or premium elements depending on what you're looking for, or you can type a specific theme of font into the search bar and it will show you different options underneath that theme which you can select and add into your design depending on what you're looking for. Canva also has preset font combinations that you can search and add into your design depending on what you're trying to achieve. These presets are still fully customizable. Once you select the individual elements, you can still change the colors, adjust their appearance. Certain fonts won't allow you to edit certain aspects, but for most fonts, you can edit the colors, make them bold or italic depending on what you're looking for. You can also upload your own font, and you can use the Effects tab to change the appearance of your text depending on what kind of aesthetic that you'd like to achieve and the style that you'd like your design to have. The final tool I'll be showing you today is the Animations tool. Now, when you select different elements or graphics on Canva, you also have the options to select the Animations tab and add different animations and effects to them. There's quite a few different animations depending on what you'd like to achieve that all have different effects on your design. These animations can also be added to text, and some of them can be stacked on top of the other to achieve a specific result. To learn more about different Canva tools, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment on what you'd like to see. Make sure to turn on the notification button so you're notified whenever a new video is posted. Thank you for watching.